Imagine a small chops that is not just delicious but also a money magnet. Introducing the money bag small chops. Do you want to attract wealth and prosperity? Then you need to try this Nigerian small chops recipe that will fill your money bag. So if you're ready to attract wealth and live a life of abundance, then watch till the end, and don't forget to try out these recipes and share your thoughts in the comments box. Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel and thanks for stopping by. Kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and let us have great fun together. Watch till the end for the full recipe, and don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe for more healthy and active recipe ideas. Let's begin with the filling. Go in with groundnut oil, coconut oil. It is optional. We have a video on how to make homemade coconut oil and other kind of oil. Do check out our description box below to find that video. Then go in with onions, garlic and ginger. Now let's go in with minced meat. If you don't have minced meat, you can make use of your beef. Just blend it, or you can make use of shredded chicken. The full recipe will be in the description box below, and also more recipes, so do check out our description box below. Go in with your seasoning and spices in moderation. Then it's time to go in with our shredded carrots. This is the part 3 of our small chops video. Do check out our description box below so that you can watch the part 1 and the part 2 of our small chops recipe, and also how you can make use of them for sales, or how you can promote your brand and put them out for sale. Green pepper, shredded cabbage, spring onions, finally let's go in with another carrot, but this time we are cutting it into cubes, and that is what we have there. So delicious and yummy. So it's time for the dough. Let's go in with flour, salt, and then we combine them together. Small chops are a beloved staple at parties, gatherings and events across Nigeria, Africa and all over the world. From Samosa to spring grill to money bag, which you're watching the video right now, to mosa, to puff puff and so on. But what is behind their skyrocketing popularity? We will unfold it in this video. Go in with water gradually. You don't want it to be too thick. Also, you don't want it to be too watery. So go in with your water to form a not so thick and also watery dough. Do you know that entrepreneurs are seizing the opportunities, turning their kitchens into thriving businesses with low startup costs and high demands? It is no wonder small chops are taking the market by storm. Many vendors report impressive profit margins, making this venture enticing for aspiring business owner. So you can also do the same. So here I have the consistency that I needed. It is not too thick and not too. Let us cover and allow it to rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. Remember that we have our filling ready, which is already cooling. So now sprinkle some flour on your work surface and let's go in to knead our dough. Remember, you can get permanent access to our recipe cookbook and other ebook on easy to make homemade recipes from your hair to your skin, food, baking, and so on. Do check out the description box below to see how you can access them today. So now you can start forming it into that shape you're seeing right there. And also, our online training is still ongoing for those who want to spice up or advance their cooking, baking, and all recipes game. Also check out our description box below on how you can get access today. Here we'll start forming each dough into a ball. We cut that dough into 16 pieces. If you're using 2 cups of all-purpose flour, you should have about 16 pieces of that round shape dough, so as to have that flat samosa sheet, very flat and tiny. But if you're making use of 1 cup, you're going to have about 8 round shape dough. Then you start forming it out like that. Make sure it is not too flat. Just continue to form it out like that. It is time to start laying. That is oil. Then you sprinkle some all-purpose flour. Then you lay another dough. This layering shouldn't be too much. You can lay about 4 to 5 doughs like that. It shouldn't exceed 5. You wonder how social media is bustling with vibrant images of small chops, drawing in customers eager to taste these treats. Influencers are promoting local vendors, expanding their reach even further. The power of online marketing is a game changer in this industry of small chops. After layering the 5th dough, then this is the next step. Do this step gently. Knead the dough out like that gently, but make sure you knead it out as flat as possible. Make sure it is very flat, but the dough must not tear. So be very careful with this step. Under low heat, gently go in with your kneaded dough. And once you start seeing a bubble forming like that, you then flip it over to the other side. Make sure you're doing this under low heat. You don't want your samosa sheet to get burnt. The burntness won't be good for the money bag. You can see another bubble forming, then it is okay. You allow it to cool for a while before you start separating it like that. Separate them gently. You don't want your samosa sheet to tear. Just make sure you separate them very, very carefully. It will open itself as long as you used enough oil in the other process of laying them together. As long as you used enough oil and flour, it will gently come out itself like this. It is time for trimming. Now get a very clean scissors and trim out the edge. Trim it out like that to get a nice shapely circle of samosa sheet. Don't forget to check out the description box for the full recipe and also for other recipes on how to make your own homemade coconut oil, carrot oil, onion oil, and so on, straight from your own kitchen. Step-by-step tutorial. Check out our description box to watch that video or to watch those videos. Now they are ready. The next thing is to wash our spring onions and get a neat toothpick, and we start going in with our filling, which we have allowed to rest. So check out on how to wrap the money bag. That is the shape you need to form. You don't want to have a scattered edge at the end of the day, so you have to form this shape gently and be very careful with the wrap. It is very flexible. And the rope for our money bag is the spring onion. So wrap the spring onion around the money bag gently, and then we will stick them together with the toothpick, and our money bag is a step ready. Look at what we have there, a perfectly shaped money bag, money in the bag. So we are gonna repeat this process for clear insight. Finally, let's perfect the wrapping. The essence of starting the process with the money bag filling is to allow the oil to drain. As you can see, oil is not splashing all over or shrinking inside the wrap because we have already allowed the oil to drain while setting it aside for a while. So you have to pour it in a sieve. You allow the oil to drain before we start filling it inside the wrap. So always start up with your money bag filling. And now look at that, looking beautiful, delicious and yummy, ready for frying. No losing at all. You find that it's not gonna lose because we have folded it the right way. So go in with onion in your oil. Make sure you fry it under low heat. The essence of the oil is to give it a nice aroma and to enhance the taste as well. So fry under low heat because it gets burnt easily. Look at that, it is ready. Allow it to drain on a baking sheet. The aroma is heavenly and yummy. You need to try this, trust me. So, is Nigerian small chops business ranking in the big box? Absolutely. With the right strategy, passion, and a sprinkle of creativity, the sky is your limit. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, share your thoughts in the comment section. Tell us what you think about this recipe. You can also follow us on our social media pages that is being displayed right there. Let us become friends for more insights into the world of food and business, and let us advance together. See you in our next video.